Some of this is all based off of
Hola pasajeros, durante nuestro viaje en tren,
Can you all hear me way back in the van? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mick and Ma'am.
Sure to take good care of our friends.
The park's very great. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have ripped that track switch! Minnie, let's get that runaway train! Not a chance!
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Liftoff! There they are! We'll be right there! We made it! Nothing can stop us now! Hurry! Hurry! We have to stop them from moving all over the
oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.